Don Jazzy donates 100 million naira to VeryDarkMan's NGO. In a surprising turn of events, popular social media personality VeryDarkMan has revealed that the music producer Don Jazzy is the generous donor behind the substantial 100 million naira contribution to his newly established non-governmental organization. The announcement comes after initial confusion surrounding the large deposit. VeryDarkMan, known for his recent controversies surrounding Bobrisky, had previously expressed concerns about the unexpected funds in his NGO account, even calling for an investigation by Zenith Bank. In a video posted on his Instagram account, VeryDarkMan stated, "I don't know what is going on. I hope I'm not being set up." He emphasized his commitment to transparency, adding that "I'm not into money laundering. I don't do fraud. For the record, Nigerians bear me witness." However, the mystery was soon solved. In a follow-up video released on Thursday, VeryDarkMan confirmed that Don Jazzy, whose real name is Michael Collins Ajere, had personally contacted him about the donation.
I kept on looking for, wait, how did this money come about, until I got this message. "Morning, bro. Just saw your post. Nami send 100 million to support. I believe in what you are doing and trust you to be as transparent as you have always been. We really need that in our country. I wish you all the best with the project and more blessing to you. Easy." This is Don Jazzy. It was Don Jazzy that sent 100 million naira. This is the receipt. As you can see, Michael Collins Ajere, 100 million naira.
The NGO, according to VeryDarkMan, will focus on community development and improving public schools, addressing critical needs in the Nigerian society. This generous act by Don Jazzy, a prominent figure in the Nigerian music industry, highlights the potential for collaboration between entertainment personalities and grassroots initiatives to drive positive change. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we bring you more details on this story as they become available.